Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about this amazing KÉRASTASE line, the Resistance line. I've been obsessed about it and I've been meaning to do this video for a while now, I know, but this is the full line reveal and I'm so excited to be here telling you guys all about it. So let's go ahead and start this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Alright, so finally we're doing this video. I'm super excited to tell you all about this entire line of KÉRASTASE. First of all, let me explain. I don't know if you can see it right here, but I have a scratch because this morning I was playing with my dogs and then one of them scratched me in the face and it hurt a lot, but I put some concealer on top of it, so I don't really think you can see it that much. But if you see it, just know that my dog scratched my face. The packaging for this shampoo is a little bit different because usually KÉRASTASE does all the shampoos in the same packages, at least the ones that I've tried so far. But this one has the packaging of kind of a conditioner, like their conditioners usually look like this. I was a little bit confused, I thought I bought the wrong product, but it actually is the shampoo. I hope you can see it right there. I'm gonna start brushing through my hair so we know how it feels. But a little bit about the consistency of the shampoo. It's a little bit different from other shampoos. It has this more dense, kind of like a balm actually. I feel like with this shampoo I even had to use less product because since it's so dense, I feel like little goes a long way. It's different from the last KÉRASTASE video that I made from the Elixir line, because I feel like that one is super liquid and you end up getting more product even if you don't want to, because you squish it and then a lot of product comes out. It's just, you don't really have that much control over it. But for this one, you get very little product and it goes a very long way. I like that a lot. And like you can see, brushing was super easy. It took me, I don't know, 40 seconds or something like that. I just got so in love with the mask the first time I tried it that I had to go ahead and buy the shampoo and the serum as well. Which actually, I just went into KÉRASTASE's website and I saw that they're selling these 3 products together for a special price. I think it's $130 or something like that. The mask only, it's 60 plus something, so it's really good deal. If you want to buy that, I would really recommend going to their website. This video is not sponsored, so I'm actually giving you some buying tips because it was useful for me. I wish it was sponsored though. KÉRASTASE, if you're out there, if you see this video, you know I'm here. So first of all, this line is recommended for weak, damaged and over processed hair, but the treatment is indeed very intense. You can really expect heavy nourishment from it, so if your hair is not that damaged, I think maybe it would be too much. KÉRASTASE actually made 2 lines inside this Resistance line over here. This one's the darker blue line, which is made for very damaged hair, and the other one is for damaged hair. This darker line is even stronger than the other one. If your hair is not chemically treated or anything like that, you should go for the lighter version of this, because I feel like this could be too much for your hair. But since I have highlights and everything, I feel like my hair was actually in need for this and it works wonders for my hair. I just loved it. So just summarizing a little bit of the benefits of this shampoo. It repairs damage. It reduces friction in the hair, so it kind of prevents it from breaking, and it also deeply nourishes the hair. Another benefit from it is that it actually stimulates hair growth, which is awesome. The 3 key ingredients in this shampoo are the glucopeptide, which is responsible for entering the deepest layers of the hair to strengthen the existing hair and also stimulate growth. It also has wheat protein derivative, which repairs the flexibility and elasticity of the damaged hair, giving back all that smoothness. Finally, it has native plant cells, which ensure deep hydration and reduces the risk of weakened roots, so your hair won't fall as much as it did before, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and smooth and hydrated like we all want. I really love everything about the shampoo. There's really nothing much bad I can say about it. I really love the smell of it. I love the texture. I love how little product you must use. Oh, an important thing is that you know how your hair usually feels dry after you wash off your shampoo. This doesn't happen with this shampoo at all. I feel like the shampoo already conditions the hair, because usually we only use shampoo for cleaning, but this one I felt a huge difference, because while I was washing it off, I could more or less feel like I was washing off a conditioner. It's not the same feeling, but you know that moisturized feeling you have when you're washing off a conditioner? It kind of feels the same way. So I really love that about it, and it's not something you see in that many shampoos. So I do feel like this one's special. Let's go ahead and start talking a little bit about the mask. I made an entire video only about this mask. I'm gonna leave it here so you can watch it, but I'm gonna cover some key points about it that I think are important for me to tell you if you're hearing about this mask for the first time. So first of all, you can use this mask daily if you want. If your hair is in very much need of some deeply repair and nourishment, you can definitely use it on a daily basis. And they tell you to leave it on for around 5 to 10 minutes. I usually leave it for around 8 or 9 minutes while I do everything else in the shower, and then I just wash it off, and it's pretty simple. The texture of it is a little bit different from other masks. It is a little bit more dense and has this balm texture as well. What I said about a little product going a long way works for the shampoo and the mask as well. I found this quote on the KÉRASTASE website that I think it's amazing. I'm just gonna put it here so you can read it, but I'm gonna read it to you as well. So the mask therapist is the go-to product when someone has over-processed hair and needs a lifesaver. If you've been an all-over blonde for some time, or you're looking to go lighter after being colored dark, Mask Therapist will build your hair back up and help prevent damage throughout the lightening process to ensure your hair stays healthy and beautiful. So not only you can save your hair after you've been through chemical process like getting highlights done or things like that, you can also use it before you go through those processes to prevent the chemicals from actually damaging your hair a lot. It repairs and nourishes the hair while also preventing your hair from further damage. I swear to God, guys, I swear by this line. I just love it a lot. If you use it for even 2 weeks, you will see a lot of difference in your hair. I'm not kidding. Let's move on to the serum. I've been addicted to this. It actually is a duo treatment. I think you can see it right here. So it has 2 things inside of here, and once I press it on, you will see that 2 things come out of it. So a little gel and a little bit of a cream as well. You can use this on either dry hair or on damp hair like I'm doing right now. I usually apply it before I blow dry my hair and just a little bit, like 1 pump afterwards, because it prevents the hair from getting split ends. And I feel like there's nothing in this world that we hate more than split ends in our hair. So I just love it. The smell, guys, it's really good. Like, I'm feeling it again and it's just amazing. It repairs the damaged hair, it nourishes the hair, and it also has heat protectant, which is super important for our hair. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair so you guys can see the final results. So this is the final result. I love it. I don't know if you can hear my dog in the back, but she just came back from a walk and she's super tired. So if you hear that breathing, that's her. The same one that gave me the scratch. Like I was saying, guys, although it has some frizz to it, it's very little. I mean, the point of this line is not to control frizz, and I just love it that, I don't know, it's in kind of an extra that it doesn't have any frizz. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a pump on top of it, but only to the very ends, because I don't want my hair to get oily. So like I said, you just do a pump like this. Both things come out, like you can see, the gel and the cream. And then I'm going to apply it only to the very ends, so that we prevent split ends. This line is actually different from the other ones because I feel like it's more of a long-term treatment. It's not that long of a term treatment because you can definitely see the results in like a week or 2 after using them. It's not only going to look good, but it's going to be healthy and nourished again, which I think it's the most important thing. We want our hair to be actually healthy and not only to look healthy. So that's why I love this line so much, because it treats the inside of the hair, not only the outside and not only the way it looks. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And I've been meaning to do this video for so long now, but it finally is here, guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. So please remember to give it a thumbs up if you still haven't. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!